Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's go to the left side to the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here at the third position we have the picture quality, so when we tap on it we can decide to pick the high, standard and low. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is high. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.